Hello everyone. In this video, I am explaining third method of deleting duplicate records from the table using row number function. The first method that is using temporary table, and second method that is using auto ID. I have already explained in my last videos. So let's proceed with this method. First of all, let's check the table. I am using the same table which I use for first and second method. Okay, so let me show you the table first. Select star from my table is employee master, right? So let's check this table, and these are the records in this table. This table have five records, and out of which uh, two records are duplicate records. That is for employee ID E001. Okay, so here my purpose is to delete this fourth and five record, as these are duplicate in this table. Okay, so how I will achieve this using row number? So there are three steps. This we can achieve in three steps. So first step is, let me write step one. First step is, first of all, what we will do, we will partition our table on the basis of employee ID using partition by function, right? We will group together all the employees which where the employee ID is same. Okay, so that means employee ID E001 records will come together. If there is E002 other occurrence, then these will come together. So this I will achieve by partition by function. So I am writing the query for that. Select star comma row number, then over. This is the syntax for achieving partition in this table. Partition by. So since I want to partition my table on the basis of employee ID, so here I am giving employee ID. Okay, since it is repeating, so partition by more or less similar to group by function. It will group together employee IDs in my table. Then after that, I can order this, order by employee ID, then from which table, employee master. Okay, master table. Okay, so here, as I let me give this as row number. This I want to display as row number in this my table. So here, okay, so this is the syntax. Let's understand this first step. Select star. It will display all the columns of the table. After that, it will display row number for each partition, which is done on the basis of employee ID, and it will assign unique row number to each member of the partition. So let's execute this query. You will understood this query then. uh, so this is the result set of this query. What it did, it partitioned my table on the basis of employee ID. Okay, as you can see, each employee having similar employee ID are coming together, and after that, as you can see, it's assigned the unique row number to each member of the group. Okay, so it's assigning 1 2 3 to E001, and E002, since it have only one occurrence, so it's assigning 1, and E003 to 1. Okay, so this is my first step. After that, my first in first step, what we did, uh, we created the partition. We group records together which are repeating repeating. Okay, then in this second step, what we will do, so in second step, I will I will uh, extract the ID of those records which are repeating. Okay, that is, I will found the ID of those records, that is 5 and 6, which are repeating from this table. So for that I need to introduce another query. Okay, so step 2 is identify the ID, identify the ID of the records in temp table which are repeating. Okay, so for that I am introducing another select query, select ID. Since I want to fetch only ID, so I am giving select ID from where, from this result set, and this result set I am giving as name as temp. Okay, so I am copying this query as it is, right? Then I am giving this name as as temp, right? Let me introduce bracket over here. For which records where row number is greater than 1. Okay, so then only I can fetch ID for these records as temp where row row number greater than 1, right? So this is my step 2. Have I done any mistake over here? Let me check. Select ID from here. I should keep bracket. Now it should connect. Okay, so let's execute this query. See, I have get the ID of the duplicate records. Now the third step is to delete the records from this result set which are matching with this ID. So my third step is to delete the records which matches. So here I will introduce another query, delete from which table, employee master, where id in id in these two, 5 and 6. So for this result set I am copying the above query as it is. This is my query. Control C, Control V. Here I will put another bracket. Okay, so this is my final query. Delete from, let understand this, delete from employee master where ID in select ID, whatever ID we get using these queries. And using these queries I explain in step 2 that we are getting IDs of duplicate record, so it should get deleted after execution of these queries. So let's execute this. So it's showing message as 2 records affected and we have 2 duplicate records. So let's see whether it deleted the correct record or not. So here I'm giving select query, select star from employee underscore master. Let's execute this. Okay, so see, these all the duplicates records are deleted from my table. Earlier there are 5 records, now there are 3 records which are unique. So this is my purpose. So this is how you can delete duplicate records from a table using row number. Hope you understood this. So practice this by your own. If you have any doubt, message me in the comment box of the video. And soon I will be coming back with the fourth method of deleting the record, that is using CT, in the next video. For in order to get the notification, please do subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.